Hi, welcome to beachesandsea.com. We've been asked by a lot of people whether we can show them through how to design your own t-shirt, your own personalised t-shirt, or custom t-shirt, your own personalised hoodies, custom tote bags and other clothing. So we're going to give you a quick run through. The main thing you need to do is open up your browser. We're using Opera, you could use Firefox or Edge, and go to beachesandsea.com, which will bring you to our homepage. If you scroll down through the homepage, you'll see lots of different clothing on there, jigsaws, and different sections that you may want. You will see a link here. It says design your own t-shirt now. Just click on that one, and this defaults to a white male t-shirt. If you go over to here where it says products, you can choose other t-shirts you want, what kind of clothing you want to put on there. So baseball shirt, sweater, and you can change this at any point through your design process. So for Eve, we'll start with the white t-shirt for men, but you can also choose and in the more section, you've got jigsaw puzzles, tote bags, circle stickers, landscape, prints, small cards. Stick with the white t-shirt. Once you've chosen your product, you can go into your design stage. Click on design, and for ease, we will just choose one of the first designs here. You can go scrolling through some of the latest designs, or you can text in the search box there. Fine. So we'll just choose that one now. Just click on it. Second silly red circle. There it is. Nice t-shirt. We'll put some text on there. Go into text here. And choose that one. And then you can move things around. So this is quite important. You've got a set print area which are around the outside. Dashed area, if you like. If you go outside of that area, you'll see it's not all going to print. So keep it inside there. There you'll see these lines. You've got the centre line there, which is the centre of the t-shirt. That's the top line there that you can print to, and that is the absolute middle of the t-shirt. So that you can track there. Now we double click on the text. We can change the text. So So now you can do nifty things with the text. Lines around the text. Lines stand out. It's got a gradient already, and that's set there. You can change all the gradients, or you can have a pre-selected gradient. So you could have Rainbow Pride, Summer, Tri-Colour, and you can change where these appear. So if you move it around, you'll see the text changing as you actually move things. Red's go to orange, fade to green, photographer, and nice one. And then you can put some shadow on the text as well. You can change shadow colour. Change how the shadow appears. Going that way. Shadow below, above. Shadow to really blur out. So it can be a solid shadow. that gives you the idea. So again, you can take the text, you can make it smaller, drag it, circle there. You can even spin it if you grab that circle. And you can still edit it from there, even though it's all sideways, so lots and lots that you can do. And if you're happy with the design, you can just click on and all go away with the t-shirt. If you wanted to put this product now on a grey background and see what it's like, you just literally go and select the design, so always problematic one, black text, choose colour, suits your t-shirt. Grey, so grey. Now, if you were going to go over to a child's t-shirt, you'll see now the print area has changed. They've got it all the way around there. Half the graphics are hanging off. So if you grab this box now, have to resize it. The child's now, on all the t-shirts, you have the option to flip the t-shirt around to the back and put some text on it. So, t-shirt. On there. So that would be the back of the t-shirt, be the front of the t-shirt. Just got to click it. And then when you come to order, click it there, choose the sizing, and there's no difference in pricing between the sizing. And these are organic shirts. It's a full circular sustainable organic process that we use. We use renewable energy, and when the shirts get worn out, don't send them to landfill. There's a little QR code you can scan it from your phone. You can send it back, and they will reutilise that material in other shirts. So you'll know that really are helping the environment by choosing these t-shirts. So if we go back to the home page, what we do specifically on some of our shirts is we enable you to customise our designs. So if we took, for instance, the Let's Get Ship faced, yes, I said ship, shirt, click on that one, we're going to choose the white one, and you'll see add to bag, and that would just add that design to bag, or you can click the customise button. You can change the product, so if we only had a male version of the shirt, go to the women's version, the kids shirt, create the same version of that shirt for yourself. Same one, flip it, some text on it. So these will make the old statements or whatever. So same process as before. Dead smack in the middle of the shirt, crosshairs, just slightly more expensive because it's got printing on the back as well. Select the sizes. And that's it, pretty much. Hopefully you found the video helpful. Don't forget to visit the website, picturesandseed.com. Have a play with some of our designs, have a play with some of your designs. It's all free until you add it to the cart and check out. So nothing to lose by playing around with some ideas that you might have. Any suggestions, please leave them in the comments, and please obviously share this video. Thank you very much.